Number 29, it shows a model of this equation, and it says which value of x makes the statement true. Okay, the model, if it's confusing to you, just go to the equation and use that alone. Now there are two ways you can do this. You can solve the equation, or you can take each one of these values and plug it in for x and see if it becomes a true equation when you plug in the correct value. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve the equation. When you have variables on both sides, like the x's here, you want to get them on one side, so I'm going to move them to the right. Subtract x from the left and subtract x from the right. I will have 4 equals 3x plus 2. Then I'm going to move this 2 over here. I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. 4 minus 2 equals 3x. Okay, notice how there's nothing here anymore. These cancel, just as up here the x's cancel. Now 3 times what number is 2? To find that number, I divide both sides by 3. I divide because that's the opposite of multiplying by 3. So x will equal 2 divided by 3. And there's my answer. That makes it true. So I look in the answer choices. 2 divided by 3 is answer choice A. Number 30. It's a model of 16 square units. It says which expression represents the side length of a model in units. Okay, one thing I can do is just count the side length. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer should be 4. And I look at my answer choice. These are square roots of numbers. So the square root of what number will give me 4? That should be h. And just to be sure, it says it was 16 square units at the beginning. So to find the side length, I need to take the square root of that, 16. So the answer choice is H. Miranda made a model airplane in number 31, and it uses a scale of 0.25 inches represents 2 feet. Which graph shows this relationship? Okay, this is a scale right here. One thing I can do is change or try to get whole numbers so I don't have to do with the decimal 0.25. So every 0.25 inches is 2 feet. What I'm going to do is just start listing numbers. 0.25 is 2 feet, and I increase from there. 0.5, all I did was add 0.25 more. It should increase by 2 feet. Okay, so this side goes up by 2, this side goes up by 0.25, and it keeps the pattern, it keeps continuing like that way. 0.75 next, then that is 6 feet. Then 1.0, which is 8 feet. Okay, so far here's my whole number. 1 inch should match with 8 feet. 1 inch goes with 8 feet. I look at the graph. 1 inch, that's not 8 feet. Okay, A is out. Here, 1 inch, that is not 8 feet. C is out. Here, 1 inch, that is 8 feet. B is still in. 1 inch, 8 feet. D is still in. Okay, so what I can do next is go to the next whole number. Now I'm going to skip some because I know 1 inch is 8 feet. 2 inches must be twice as much. 2 inches is going to be twice 8, which is 16 feet. 2 inches is 16 feet. I look at the 2 remaining answer choices. 2 inches, 16 feet. Okay, that is correct. Over here, 2 inches, 24 feet. Not correct. That means B is the correct answer. Number 32. Cotton bales imported in the U.S. in 1 year. Okay, this is a chart listing all the bales in thousands. Now, the question is saying what is the mean number of cotton bales imported from the countries in thousands. So the mean means find the average. That means add up all these numbers, then divide by the number of items. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. So I need to divide by 7 after adding. I've already did the work over here. I just add the numbers, and I got 7,000. Then I divide 7,000 by 7 items, and I get 1,000. But it says the answer in thousands, and what's in thousands. So if it just a random number from the table is 450, that means 450,000 because it says in thousands. So I got thousands by adding 3 zeros. When I take the mean, when I have the mean, I have 1,000. I need to add those 3 zeros at the end. So here, 1, 2, 3, they're the zeros. Now I can put a comma here, comma there, and that's 1,000,000 is the average. And I would bubble that in 1,000,000. Number 33. Okay, he spent $8.40, and to place the ad it costs 0.8 per word, and it has a fee of $6 included. That's a one-time fee. So of this $8.40 that he paid, 6 of them went to the one-time fee. Before doing anything else, I need to take that 6 away from this total cost to find the next amount. So I need to take 6 away first. That means subtract 6. That's B. And just to make sure, the next step is divide by 0.8. Yes, to find the number of words he put in, knowing the cost of all the words together, I need to divide by the cost per one word to get to the number of words. That is B. Number 34. Carla selects 2 different side dishes from the following list. Okay, there are only 4 items on the list, and the question is saying which shows all the possible outcomes of 2 different side dishes from this list. Now, looking at all the answer choices, I would look at the one that has the most listed first, because it probably covers all the possibilities. So I look at the biggest list first, and I need to make sure that there are no repeats. French fries, salad, okay. French fries, onion rings, okay. French fries, beans, no repeats. They're all different. Then salad and onion rings, okay. I go back up at the beginning. This said salad and French fries, so that's not a repeat. Salad and beans, I go back here. Beans was not with the salad, salad was not with the beans. This is not a repeat. And the last one, onion rings and beans. Nowhere else are onion rings and beans together. So that means this one covers all the possibilities, no repeats. That's the best answer, H. And just to kind of make a note, okay, notice how there are 4 items in the beginning, okay, and look, you can make 3 different possibilities in the first time, okay, using French fries. And then once you go to the next section, salads, well, since you've already done salad and French fries up here, there's no need saying salad and French fries again. So this 3 possibilities